Mauled.
Uh-oh, those brawlers are gonna intercept me. How about I trade places with our medic? I'll stall the snipers and she can poison the brawlers. Count on me.
Did him good.
I'll watch your back. Ooh. Right the engine.
Thank you.
Any more smart-ass tips for our leader?
Just shut up and fight. Headshot.
Mauled. I feel better.
Sniping. Seems to be AK and his captains. Be careful, I heard that he's got a new toy. Some heavy-duty bang stick that'll rip apart everything in its path.
Then we'd better get the hell out of wherever he's aiming.
Jack's got a nose for trouble. I'm counting on him to tell us when to move. Right in the engine.
More action. They're no threat. Action. Hurry. I'm fine now. They're just cannon fodder. Can't hurt me.
Stalled him. Right in the
Okay.
engine. That stalled him.
AK, what do you want? Another ass kicking? I didn't know that you're after the headman. I never liked the American heroes, but that self-righteous bastard is worse. So, Why don't we fight him together?